In this slide, we are going to discuss the IRDA and its functions and powers. Let me explain you what is meant by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. So what is its function? The main function of this IRDA is to control and supervise the working and functioning of various insurance companies, because there are certain government insurance companies are there and there are some private insurance companies. All will come under this under the IRDA supervision. And since 2000 we are having 2002, this IRDA is functioning from Hyderabad. So now IRDA, not only under its control it comes the life insurance as well as non-life insurance policies also. It comes under the IRDA. So now we will discuss functions one by one. These are the powers and functions of IRDA. Here it has the generally supervisory powers on the insurance companies. It will supervise the activities of the insurance companies, and it has the power to appoint the staff to whatever it can do. It can appoint the staff to conduct its business operations. Next, it has the power to issue the registration certificates for the insurance companies and to renewal of the insurance companies, and also it has the power to have the code of conduct, and even for agents and other people, survivors, because it has some code of conduct, everyone has to follow that one. Then also it has the power to levy fees and other charges providing services to its insurers. That means insurance companies are there, it will provide, the IRDA provides the services of providing the insurance the certificate of registration, and also it is providing it is renewal purpose, it is doing some work. For this one it will charge certain amounts. Those amounts it can collect from the insurers. It has the power to regulate the margin of solvency. Then it can regulate the investment of funds by the insurance companies, how the insurance companies are collecting the funds and where they are investing, because it's the duty of the IRDA to see that what the insurance companies are doing with the premiums paid by the insured, because it is the responsibility of IRDA to see that the savings or the insurance made by the people, whenever they occur any accidents, such amount should be paid back to them. And if any insurance company doesn't pay, then the IRDA will take action on those insurance companies. Then it can exercise the powers of sanctions by insurance laws and central government, whatever powers it has given, it can exercise all its powers and to see that the insurance companies will function properly for the welfare of the society.